What the fuck? Oh hell no, bro. Oh, I can't pull up to work like this. Oh, dude, it rained last night or what? My shit's cooked. It's gonna have sap all over. Look at that water. It's that water mixed with sap. Bro, my poor car. Ah, bro, come on. How am I supposed to go to work like this? Yo, what is happening, guys? Hope you guys are doing good. So I'm doing something I've never ever have done before, and that's starting the vlog on the way to work. It's currently 6:35 in the morning. I'm actually running a little bit late, but for the past 2 weeks I've been working from 6:30 to 6:30. So your boy is tired, but it's finally Friday, last day on the schedule. I'm hopefully gonna head to the shop straight after work. I've never done that either, but hey guys, we're making it happen no matter what. Just look at that sky, guys. Keep in mind it's middle of July, and we just got some rain. I was not expecting that at all. That's Cali for you. We got that new Larry June playing in the background very softly. You know, we're not trying to get copyright, but it's gonna be a good day, guys. But like I said, I've never ever have done this before. I literally got the camera, taking it to work, and yeah, guys, we're gonna make it happen no matter what. I really hope the guys are still gonna be at the shop by the time I'm off, because like I said, I'm off at 6:30 in about 12 hours, and I still got about a 50-minute drive after that. But we're doing it for you guys, because at this point it's already been a couple months. Like I'm tired of doing that, just going months without you know, uploading shit. Clean Type R just passed me, but yeah guys, we're making it happen. I literally grinded some new merch. We're gonna take pictures of that hopefully after work too, or maybe tomorrow, but grinded that when I got off yesterday. But yeah guys, I just wanted an intro for this vlog. I already recorded some content, you guys will see, but yeah, I just been wanting to record an intro. Hope you guys are doing good. I'll hit you guys up maybe on my lunch break. Probably gonna get a car wash because my shit is cooked. But damn, what a beautiful sky. Puta madre. All right guys, good news and bad news. Good news, it's about 5 hours later, but we got off work early. If you guys know about VTO, then you know. If you know, you know. Came in clutch. We're going to the shop way earlier than we thought we would have been today, so that's cool. It's Friday, early day. It's 11:16 currently, but we're on the way to the shop. The bad news is, if you can't tell, stuck in traffic, but it shouldn't be too bad. But yeah, Jesse's already on the way to the shop, so should be a good day, guys. This vlog should turn out to be really good. Pretty hyped, and we got a box here.
What's in the fucking box?
Part in here that I've been wanting to throw on the Beamer. Has nothing like, it's not like a mod, but it's like maintenance, I guess. Yeah, it's technically maintenance. It's just been sitting in my room, but we're finally gonna have a chance to throw it on. And yeah, so I think I might get a quick car wash. My shit is dirty. But yeah guys, look at these guys. It's their fault right here. Whatever they're doing, that guy just straight posted. Anyways, I think we're good now. Bro, that guy, bro, there is no cars in front of that guy. What the fuck? Anyways, so yeah, we'll see you guys at the shop. What the hell? We got the mobile freak offs. Oh shit, Marcel, I leave for a couple months, bro, and you got the mobile freak off mobile?
No, I got another one coming tomorrow, baby.
Yeah guys, this just smells like fucking ass. You can literally smell it just opening the door. Like, I don't know what. I thought it was like a mobile. Yeah, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna get in here and move this shit ASAP.
I thought they were using this vehicle for like mobile grooming or something, but nah, bro. The owner of this vehicle just, I don't know, man, what he's doing here. Bro, that shit smells from out here. That's crazy. I haven't seen this thing in a minute. Sheesh. I can smell it from being behind it, bro.
I told you, bro. I smell that shit from outside. How do you smell outside of the car? And this heat's not making it any better.
Alright, what's going on, guys? Back with another video. I know every time I upload it's like at least a month or two. But I gotta do an oil change on the N55.
Let me get that.
Oh, you gonna swap it in here?
Well, I'm throwing the 46.
Oh yeah, that's Marcel joined Beamer game too. So yeah, here it is. It's a show right now. I think I might have shown it last time. But Marcel just said he's looking into getting a motor soon, an N52. If you guys remember my E92, it had that motor, so that would actually be a little power upgrade for this. I'm not sure what these came for. Someone comment down in the comments, but yeah, Marcel's already been messing with it. Got my old stockies on there.
See it?
Manual.
This whole thing out, bro. I'm talking about straight. I'm cutting everything, bro. No door panels, nothing.
Damn,
Whole
bro.
rear end, gutted.
Drift car or what?
Drift car, bro. Full drift car.
The Drift E36 too? Beamer?
Let's do it, bro. I've been wanting to do it.
I know, because I don't even think I'm gonna register that shit anymore. Like, it's such a hassle, bro. So.
Fuck it, this is ride dirty, bro. Track cars.
Drift cars, yeah, bro.
Why not? Fuck it.
Yeah, so Marcel's already been tweaking with it. Custom bumper on the way.
Just fucking, just like drill that shit in just to see how it looks, bro.
Yeah, it lines up pretty good.
No cap.
So Marcel says this is off a Camry. And
Yeah, Joseph's shit.
oh, okay, the same Camry as Joseph's, and it lines up pretty damn good. Obviously, it's mocked up there, but like
Short in the middle section, and then.
all right, guys, so don't let them lie. Beamers can be pretty easy to work on. I mean, the oil filter is right on top, so oil changes at the very least, not that bad. We just struggled a little bit because the oil filter was like on there. It was super hot, so maybe due to the heat. And then Marcel figured this one out for me, but this is the trap door for the drain bolt.
Trap door.
So it's kind of like slide in there. It says open close. I was struggling, but this bolt is also part of it. So yeah, as soon as you remove this trap door, you get access to the drain bolt, and boom, we got oil. All right, guys, oil filter is out. Oil still going. You wanna be in the vlog? She's sweaty.
You awesome. It's hot as fuck in here.
This is CGI, guys. This is all CGI. This is just a prop.
Yeah, please don't believe this. For the love of God, please don't believe it.
This is we got the man filter. I heard these are the better filters for the N55s. I'm not sure about N54s. Pretty sure the same thing, but apparently these are the goated ones, so I got that. We're gonna replace the gaskets on the oil filter right now, the O-ring that goes around, and I think the washer for the drain bolt as well. I think 2 of these is for the filter. Yeah, the tiny one's on top, the bigger one goes around the bottom. And the little washer, oh shit. Alright guys, I didn't really record too much, but the oil change is done. Made sure no leaks is coming from the housing, and it looked dry underneath. My first oil change on my N55 was pretty easy. If you guys ever get N55, I mean, well, most Beamers are literally the same process. Pretty simple, but yeah. That shit was overdue. It was almost at 5K, so not terrible, but I mean, it was getting there. Now I can be, you know, peace of mind now when I'm punching it. But yeah, I love the halo lights. Looks so good. I think the F10 is one of the best 5 series. I might be biased, but I think the F10 is top 3 5 series of all time. Maybe 2, maybe 1. I'll let you guys decide, but yes sir. Currently cleaning. We'll be back in an hour. A lot of progress so far.
Dude, I forgot to film, but still I could at least show it.
You guys remember this guy on the fucking channel now? Hey, real quick. Go check out his channel. He just uploaded today.
Thank you.
I'm gonna upload this vlog. It's currently Friday. I'm gonna upload this shit Saturday. Mark my words.
Yeah.
His channel link will be down below. But hey, I remember in the last vlog, one of you guys called this a grandma car. You guys still feel the same way, huh? This shit looks.
My grandma does not want to drive in this.
Really?
She said, hell no.
Yeah. Call us a grandma car. His grandma does not approve. So, what do you say about that? But yeah, from the last time I showed this on the channel, bro, this shit is way different now. Wheels, lower lip, like it looks.
Yeah, it's way different. Way different.
Really
Thanks, bro.
Looks really good. So, yeah, let's see if you guys still feel the same way. But
I'm only gonna get more shit.
Yeah, I need to lower my shit, man. I mean,
I can't wait to see that shit slap.
Yeah, so I came through to the shop. We just ended up cleaning, so I didn't really record too much, but here is the outro for the vlog. We got Jesse. You guys saw Marcel in the video, so hey, vlogs are back. I've been fucking grinding. We both been grinding, but that's not an excuse. Website's back. New merch is up. So yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like,
Up from here, baby.
Up
from here.
Like, subscribe if you guys are new. Like the video just for that. Like, it looks really good. But yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. It's not gonna take 2 months like this next one. I promise. I know I keep saying. I know I'm not even gonna put that. I'm gonna edit that out. So hope you guys enjoyed. And Jess, you got anything to say?
Go subscribe.
You heard the fucking man. Later, guys.